Nothing can be more frustrating when you sit down to watch one of your favorite programs on Peacock TV and you run into issues streaming it. Well, in today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to fix Peacock TV if it isn't working on your Roku TV. I'm going to show you a few really simple ways to try and solve your problem and get it back up and running again. The first one is the easiest one to try, and that is to unplug your TV from the wall outlet and wait 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient here, wait the whole 60 seconds and then plug it back in. This is very different from turning your TV on and off with the remote control. This is what we call a hard reset of your TV, so make sure you try this method. If that doesn't work, then find your router that is giving you your Wi-Fi and unplug the power to that for 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. If that fixes it, great. If not, let's move on to the next method. Try deleting the Peacock TV app on your TV. Go to wherever the apps are located on your system and remove the app altogether. Then reinstall the Peacock TV app again. After you reinstall it, you might have to log back in with all your credentials, but hopefully this worked. If this doesn't work, then I recommend buying an affordable Roku stick or Amazon Fire Stick. Plug that into the back of your TV and use that as your main streaming player, and you'll be able to access Peacock TV that way. I'll put links in the description down below of where you can get one. Well, hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.